Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, food lovers, travelers, and culinary enthusiasts. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, where we dive into the world of food, culture, and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or someone who loves discovering new tastes, our channel is the perfect place for you. Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic that bridges the past and the future, exploring the fusion of traditional and modern cooking styles. Throughout the centuries, food has been the cornerstone of human culture, shaped by geography, tradition, and the availability of ingredients. But in recent decades, something exciting has happened. The world of food has seen an explosive fusion of ancient cooking techniques with the cutting-edge culinary innovations of modern kitchens. Chefs around the world have taken the rich flavors and cultural heritage of traditional recipes and combined them with modern techniques, equipment, and global influences to create something entirely new. The result? A culinary revolution where old meets new to form delicious creations that honor history while embracing the future. In this episode, we'll explore how chefs are blending traditional cooking methods with modern innovations, celebrating both the authenticity of age-old recipes and the creativity of contemporary cooking. We'll take you through iconic dishes, showcasing how they've been reinvented, reimagined, and sometimes even deconstructed, making food an experience unlike any other. Let's get started. 1. The art of pizza, from ancient flatbreads to wood-fired perfection. Traditional cooking, ancient flatbreads, and Neapolitan pizza. Pizza as we know it today has roots in ancient flatbreads consumed by the Greeks, Egyptians, and Romans, who topped them with basic ingredients like olive oil, herbs, and cheeses. However, it was in Naples, Italy, where pizza as we know it today began to take shape in the 18th century. Neapolitan pizza is a traditional dish that relies on just a few core ingredients: fresh dough, tomato sauce, mozzarella, basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. Why traditional Neapolitan pizza is a masterpiece. The dough is carefully kneaded and left to ferment, resulting in a light, chewy base with crispy edges. The tomatoes, especially the San Marzano variety, are rich and tangy, creating a perfect balance with the creamy mozzarella. Wood-fired ovens provide the high heat needed to bake the pizza in just 90 seconds, developing a slight char while keeping the crust soft. Where to try it? L'Antica Pizzeria da Michele, Naples, Italy. A must-visit for the ultimate Neapolitan pizza. Pizzeria Gino Sorbillo, Naples, Italy. Famous for its traditional yet heavenly pizzas. Modern twist, wood-fired innovations, and pizza fusion. While traditional pizza making remains a cultural staple in Naples, modern chefs are exploring new ways to innovate, while still staying true to the foundational techniques of pizza. Here's a look at how modern methods have transformed pizza. Wood-fired innovations. Wood-fired ovens are still at the heart of modern pizzerias, but new tools like pizza stones and high-tech wood-burning stoves allow even home chefs to replicate the magic of authentic pizza making. Wood-fired pizza with unconventional toppings, like figs and prosciutto, truffle oil, or even salmon and cream cheese offers a fresh take while maintaining the traditional smoky flavor. Fusion pizzas. Sushi pizza. A combination of Japanese sushi flavors and Italian pizza crust, topped with raw fish, avocado, and soy sauce. Cauliflower crust pizza for health-conscious eaters. Cauliflower replaces traditional wheat flour to create a gluten-free pizza that's both lighter and packed with nutrients. Dessert pizzas. Think chocolate, marshmallow, and fruit combinations, turning pizza into a sweet treat rather than savory. Where to try it? Pizzana, Los Angeles, USA. A modern pizzeria experimenting with California-style pizzas and unique ingredients. Pizza Pilgrims, London, UK, known for their creative, yet traditionally inspired pizzas. Final thoughts on pizza fusion. Pizza's ability to remain timeless while embracing modern innovation speaks to its universal appeal. Traditional pizza remains an iconic comfort food, while contemporary versions push the boundaries of flavor and creativity. Whether you prefer the classic or enjoy experimenting with a fusion twist, pizza is a perfect example of the harmonious blend of old and new. 2. The timeless taco, from ancient corn tortillas to gourmet creations. Traditional cooking, the origins of tacos. Tacos are undeniably one of the most famous traditional Mexican dishes. The concept of the taco dates back to ancient civilizations such as the Aztecs, who used corn tortillas as a vessel for various fillings like beans, meats, and chilies. These humble, handheld meals were not only practical for warriors and laborers, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. Traditional tacos al pastor, one of the most beloved tacos al pastor, has a fascinating story. It was inspired by shawarma, brought to Mexico by Lebanese immigrants. The traditional version is made from pork, marinated with chives, garlic, and vinegar, then roasted on a vertical spit and served with pineapple, cilantro, and onions on a corn tortilla. Where to try it? El Vilcito, Mexico City, Mexico. A legendary taco stand known for its amazing tacos, al pastor. Los Caquillos, Mexico City, Mexico. Offering authentic, mouth-watering street tacos. Modern twist, taco innovation, and elevated street food. While traditional tacos remain a staple in Mexican cuisine, modern chefs are infusing new life into this dish with creative fillings, preparation techniques, and global influences. Gourmet tacos. Lobster tacos. A luxurious twist on the traditional taco, with succulent lobster, avocado, and citrus. Wagyu beef tacos. High-end Wagyu beef replaces traditional pork for a rich, melt-in-your-mouth experience. Fusion tacos. Ingredients like kimchi, sushi rice, and Korean BBQ beef add multicultural flair to this beloved street food. Deconstructed tacos. Some chefs prefer to deconstruct tacos, separating the filling, tortilla, and toppings for a new dining experience. This allows for visual excitement and greater flavor exploration. Where to try it? Cazem, New York, USA. A modern take on Mexican cuisine with a twist of innovation. Taco Maria Costa Mesa, USA. Michelin-starred tacos that push the boundaries of what a taco can be. Final thoughts on taco fusion. Traditional tacos offer a deep connection to Mexican heritage, while modern adaptations demonstrate how tacos can evolve into gourmet street food. Whether you enjoy tacos with classic fillings or indulge in innovative creations, there's always a way to enjoy this iconic dish, the best of both worlds. 3. Sushi. From Edo period simplicity to creative sushi rolls. Traditional cooking, edamame sushi. The history of sushi dates back to the Edo period in Japan, where it was a simple, fresh preparation of fish and rice. Edamame sushi, which refers to fish caught near Tokyo Bay, often features tuna, eel, and sea bream, seasoned with a small brush of soy sauce and wasabi. Modern twist: sushi rolls and sushi bowls. Sushi rolls invented in the 1960s. Sushi rolls are a modern creation that encapsulate traditional sushi ingredients within seaweed and rice, adding fillings like avocado, cream cheese, and spicy tuna. Sushi bowls, also known as karashi sushi bowls, contain sushi rice, topped with a variety of fresh raw fish. Some modern versions incorporate non-traditional toppings like mango, sriracha, mayo, and wasabi peas. Where to try it? Sushiro, Tokyo, Japan. A sushi restaurant chain that offers classic sushi alongside innovative creations. Sushiwaka, London, UK. A modern fusion sushi restaurant known for sushi bowls and sushi rolls with unexpected ingredients. Final thoughts on sushi fusion? Traditional sushi focuses on freshness and precision, while modern sushi offers unlimited possibilities with new ingredients and presentation. Both celebrate Japanese culinary artistry, whether in its most pure form or its innovative evolutions. Tradition meets innovation in the culinary world. As we've seen throughout these examples, traditional recipes have a rich history, providing the foundation for many of the foods we love today. But the most exciting part is that modern chefs and home cooks around the world are reinterpreting these traditions, pushing boundaries, and adding their own creative flair. Food evolves because we continue to learn, experiment, and innovate. It's a beautiful process that celebrates the best of both worlds, honoring the roots of our culinary heritage while embracing the future of cooking. Which of these traditional modern fusion dishes would you love to try? What's your favorite traditional dish that has been given a modern twist? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more exciting culinary adventures across the globe.